your pulse duration. Pulse duration or the pulse width. And then the next is the pulse what?
Height.
Pulse interval.
Which is what?
The time interval.
Okay, your pulse interval is 2 to 3 times your pulse duration or the pulse width. For example, you have 1 milliseconds. 1 milliseconds, the pulse duration. Your pulse interval should be
5.
times 2 to 3. Or more. 2 to 3 or more.
So, 7.
Okay, so pulse interval. And then next, this is the resting time for your surges. Meaning, surges is used if tetanic contraction ang imuhang gamiton. If not, if your goal is only twitch, muscle twitch lang, then don't use surge. Okay. Surge is used to have rest. Para maka-rest ang muscle. Kaya kung magtatani ka, di ba, full contraction. If dili ninyo i-rest, mabuang ang muscle. Dili bitaw. Sakit sa patient. Ha? Okay. And then this one, kanina nag-blink, that is for the time. And then usually, I don't know kung sa lecture ni Sir Don, usually 10 to 15 minutes ang application. Ha? 10 to 15 minutes for ES. Nakakuha?
Yes.
Ha? Either tatani or twitch. Okay. And then this one, or kanidi ay, this is for your intensity. So, dili nimo makita kung when ka maka-elicit of contraction. Okay? Okay. Wait lang. Please don't touch this 3 button. Okay, sa machine na program. Nakakuha na ang machine. Ayaw lang. Kanilang na arrow. Side to side, up and down.
Ano ilang magbutang pa, miss?
If, dili. Pwede mo i-program na siya. Ayaw lang.
Ready-made.
Dili mo dapat i-program na daan, no? Dapat makat-on mo. Kuhaan.
Hospital runner.
Okay, if you want to transfer, guys, i-transfer ninyo sa pulse duration, pulse interval, just use the side-to-side arrow. From this one, di ba? Okay. Kung ganaan kayo pulse interval, okay, ulit.
Mura rin sa 33
Balik,
times,
then balik. Nakuha. If you want to increase, up and down. Increase. So, like, ganaan increase. So, up. Ganaan kayo increase, then down. Nakuha. Okay.
Karaan na siya sa machine.
Ha?
Karaan na siya machine.
Karaan na kayo.
Matog ready touchscreen.
Sa ako apang time. Or sa ahead pa.
Mas maguwang pa na namo, miss.
Okay na. Yes.
Miss White pa din, miss.
Oh, white pa kayo na. As in, sobra ka white. Okay, guys. Please don't touch this knob, the Dia, the Russian, and this one, the Polska.
Dia Russian and the what?
Dear Russian.
And the
This is
French.
one classification of ES, pero ayaw lang. Mershag pulse ng ES, but ayaw lang. Just this one, the rectangular and the triangular. Did you discuss? Sir?
Yes!
Okay. What is rectangular? It is used for?
Surge.
Iba na ako kay Surge.
Ano mo plato, miss?
Lagi, makalim.
Maintain mo plato lagi, miss.
Surge.
Plato.
Abrupt saka. Abrupt increase. Abrupt decrease.
Okay, guys. For your ES, you have 5 types. The rectangular,
Square.
the
Sinusoidal.
the triangular, the trapezoidal,
Sinusoidal.
Square lagi, miss.
Trapezoidal.
Square ka dyan.
Square, miss.
Miss, na may square. Square. Oh.
Okay, nice square.
Dona lagi.
Okay, guys. Yeah, trapezoidal. But,
Nice stars box.
okay, star, wait. Okay guys, usually ang common sa clinics, they only have rectangular and then the triangular. Why? It's because if rectangular, it is used for innervated muscles, and then the triangular, it is used for denervated muscles.
Eh, naman sa nag-discuss na.
Oo. Discuss. Okay, so remember that thing. Rectangular gani innervated. Triangular denervated. What is the difference between innervated and denervated?
Innervation.
Wala yung nerve. Aduna o wala.
Ang damage.
Okay, if total cut off of the nerve, that is denervated. If partial cut off sa nerve, that is partially innervated. Okay? Sige. So this is the rectangular, this is the triangular. Okay? And then this one, it is used, this is the constant ES, constant electrical stimulator. Meaning, it is used for iontophoresis. Remember your phonophoresis?
Yes.
Oh, what is phonophoresis?
Medication. Ultrasound with medication. Sound medication.
Okay. Using ultrasound with medication. So for your ionto, using electrical stimulator with medicine. It is underwater technique. Okay?
Iontophoresis.
Or, if ever kung gel type inyuhang electrodes, yung medium is gel, pwede siya for medicine, but usually that is underwater technique. Nakasabot?
Yes.
Okay. Then this one, this one, this is for the surges. If ever you're using tetanic contraction, after eliciting a contraction, pwede nakakita naman sa contraction, then press this one to have rest. Para mo surge. This sign, this is for surges. Kanina sign.
Giring-giring.
Same? Remember? Same, di ba?
Yes.
Okay, this is surges. But if ever muscle twitch, then okay na ni siya. If you want surges, the light should transfer here. If you want twitch, so mo remain ra ang light here. Makuha.
Miss, how do you transfer the light?
I-click lang.
Try daw, Miss.
Later na. Example. And then this one, guys, maintain na ni Dereha. Ayaw na i-transfer. Ayaw na ni lab tape.
Okay.
And then, this one, this is your polarity. Diba? Remember your cable cord? You have the cathode and the anode. Cathode, what polarity? Negative. Anode? Positive. So this one, the darker one, that is your cathode, and then the lighter one, that is your anode. So pwede ra siya. If ever guys, tungod sa dali-dali, nakalimot mo, butang, diretso na lang, butang, and then nabali ninyo ang anode o cathode. Like ang black, nasa proximal, ang red, nasa distal, and then na-on na. Kasi nakakuha na siya. So, para dili kuhaan sa patient, para dili para dili obvious sa patient na naratol mo or nakuhaan mo, so just press na lang this one, the polarity.
change na siya, Miss.
You should know the polarity para kay bao mo, like for this one. So, this is the normal, meaning positive anode, so nasa this proximal, and then the cathode is distal. If nabali ninyo, then press lang, so transfer na sa pika. So, nabali lang. So, instead na ang anode, positive, mahimo siya
Negative. Hindi mo
Balik ka na ito, Miss. Malibor siya naman.
Anode is positive.
like if ever ang cathode, there is a proximal, anode, there is a distal. Okay. So meaning, para i-shift na lang mo, so what will happen to the cathode? Sa maniya ha? Okay, mahimo siyang positive, then the anode mahimong negative. What is the change? Polarity.
Anod namin.
Si Mano.
Nakasabot?
Yes.
Oh, it's a joke.
Bantay lagi ha.
Si Brian Meswa, for sure. Wala na naman linkas. Obscene language.
Sige. Isa kong sampo na.
Coprolalia. Coprolalia.
Caprolalia.
Cotomis.
Hinihingar kasi
Guys,
yes.
the cable cord, dapat dali ha.
Gani.
Pingkas sa din ako, pingkas mo slot miss.
Slow
Ha?
down, children.
Ito ang duwa man ang
Ayaw diri lahi ni na cable cord. Diri.
Kita may patient.
Dugonag, dili gunitan.
Kita may patient.
Ako lang, miss.
Si Sir Don.
Kanina cord, kanina na cord.
Miss, kanang para increase sa MA, miss ba? Kanang para increase sa...
MA?
Oo, kanang
Oh,
mga
kanina button. Ay, oh, I forgot.
Sa miss?
Before knob na siya, guys. Gray ang color. Pero siya cup. Pero nagubangan. Kanina lang.
Grabe ha ko na.
If you want to increase
Knob ka na
the
siya.
intensity, you should turn
Naguba man.
the knob clockwise.
Oh, no, binabro, yawi.
Naman na yawe god palaon.
Ah, bro, pinaka-cash register ba?
Really, cup. Really, guys, dini na siya murag cup ba?
Cup
Na diya
size.
gray ang color. Pero naguba man daw. So, kanina lagi.
Doon sa pagkagubo, miss.
Dili.
Miss, ito talaga yung katong 2/3. Katong 1
Tapos interval. It should be
of this.
of the
Not 2/3,
posterior.
2/3.
2/3 times.
Oh, yeah. I get it.
Okay?
Ano?
Sige, patient.
Alright. Ako patient. Burn, ako kung ano. Ay, si Vero lang din. Ako lang, miss.
Ada yun? Alright, guys.
Ako
Guys,
miss.
kahapon sa B, so ang tanan na practice, labi na sa
Tanan na
small
karon diyan?
electrodes na siya reddish na kuan. I don't know kung it's either sa pads, ano yung sensitive kayo. So ayaw lang ninyo kauta, ha? I-wash na lang water o soap.
Alcohol, miss.
Alcohol.
Or alcohol, ha?
Laway,
Ayaw
miss.
i-pan. Ayaw i-scratch, kaya basin ma-infect.
Laway daw.
Ilapa